windy, very windy. I hooked this up with a big old Excursion courtesy car. Courtesy vehicle's the Excursion.
Wow.
So this beats the Ford Taurus as a courtesy vehicle. Pretty cool.
Yep.
Yeah. So we just arrived here in Blacksburg in the big old Excursion there. The first flight of 2023. Windy approach. I'm filming the videos like this now so we can actually have actual video.
Awesome.
So where we're going?
Vlog.
A vlog. Yeah, a flight vlog. And the 150 got bounced around. Gusty day. But I think we had an okay trip.
We did.
And now we're going to a place called Ocean Samurai to have some delicious sushi. And then we're going to have a little night flight back home. Pretty good sushi place. It's a lot of rolls, isn't it?
Yep.
So we just had a good dinner at sushi place. And the sun is setting. And this is going to be Brooke's first night flight in the Cessna.
Yay.
Yay. And the wind's died down, so we're excited. Lane Stadium's over there on the other side of that hill. Well, a successful flight back from Virginia Tech Blacksburg. 89 uniform did a great job. Pretty tough headwinds tonight. About a 12 to 15 knot headwind coming from the west, but very smooth flight, and we're excited to do it again.